Hey guys, so we have here our JBL GO4 portable Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to charge the battery of one of these speakers. So first of all, how do we know that it's time to charge the battery? That's pretty simple. So when the speaker is turned on and this LED here is starting to blink in red, then this indicates that it's really time to recharge the battery. Alternatively, you can also install the JBL portable app on your smartphone, and when you start that app, then it is going to display like a pretty precise battery percentage. So in this case here, this is about 60%. So now when it's time to charge, then we can either use here the supplied USB-C cable that comes with the speaker. So this has the USB-C side on one end. We can plug that in there. But one note of caution is when you use this speaker here in the water and the speaker is still wet, you want to make sure that you blow out the water or any remaining water out of the charging port. So just blow some water, some air in there, and then let it dry out. Otherwise, you may have some trouble charging the speaker. Okay, so now either we use this supplied cable together with, for example, the charging cube of our smartphone. And this works very well. You can just plug that in there. Alternatively, we can also use a USB-C charging cable, for example, from our laptop or from a Nintendo Switch or any other USB-C powered device. So you can use this as well. So also like a fast charger is also going to be okay to be used. And now once we plugged in the charging cable, then you're going to see here the LED is now going to be permanently red. That indicates that the battery is being charged. And a full charge takes up to 3 hours. And in case you're wondering, you can use the speaker while it's being charged. So it's completely okay. It's not a problem at all. So, and then you know that the battery is fully charged when this red LED turns off, or in case you're using the speaker right now at the moment, then the LED is going to turn white again. So, and then once it's fully charged, just carefully unplug the USB-C cord here, and then we are all set. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.